Make sure you stay tuned to the end. We'll talk about 2 common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Charger. If you have a Dodge Charger, you're trying to find the fuse for the heater, AC, blower motor, fan, stay with us. We'll explain where that fuse is located. We'll talk why it's super important to test fuses and common mistakes sometimes people make when replacing a fuse that can, guys, cost you thousands of dollars. All that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys want to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge or any vehicle, you want to get them at a good price, quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's continue now. So V6, V8, it will work on both Dodge Chargers. Now most people will do one thing, they'll come and they will open that fuse box right here and hope that the fuse is here, but it's not, guys, it's in a hidden fuse box. In some cases, if you had a short in the system, bad blower motor resistor, bad fuse and bad blower motor itself, sometimes actually the computers in the car and the body control module, the BCM, may deactivate that function. So not very often, but sometimes you may need to use a scanner like that can reset the computers in your car, guys. So this is one of our favorite scanners. I'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from. You can check current price, features, and it's amazing too. That can pay itself off in one-time use, guys. But if you look, it works on Dodge, Jeep, Chrysler, and every car almost you can think of. So let's explain where that blower motor fan fuse is located now. So you're going to open the trunk on your Dodge Charger, you're going to leave the cargo cover here, and underneath you have your spare tire car battery. Now, common mistakes people make, guys. For some important fuses, it's very important to disconnect the car battery, okay? Before removing a fuse or relay. If you don't, you can cause damage to the electrical system. And on these new cars, it's very important which battery terminal you reconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can burn the electronics modules, and that can cost you thousands of dollars. How we know? We made that mistake. It cost us $2,000. We burned the computer for the airbags on Mercedes. So right here, we're going to press here, pull up, and lift up that cover, and that's where your body control module fuse box is practically located, guys. That's the fuse box. And if you look here now, we have multiple fuses, different kinds of fuses and relays. Never try to find out if a fuse is blown just by looking at it. Always test them. Sometimes they look perfectly fine, and if that's the scenario, let's say you think you have a good fuse, you put it back in and you start buying blower motor fan resistor, new blower motor fan, switches, and end up being just a bad fuse, you just wasted your time and money. Always test them. We'll put a link in the description of the video below how to test fuses, relays, and where to buy cheap fuses and relays from. So all that will be there. The fuse that we'll be looking at, if you come, that's the first row here, we're going to come to the second row. The very first fuse on the left side, that fuse is known as F15. This is the HVAC blower motor fan fuse, also known as heater, ventilation, air conditioner, blower motor fan fuse. So we'll go ahead, grab it and pull it out. If you need to replace it, you just grab the new fuse and push it back in, guys. Both sides are practically identical. You can see it goes either way, and then you just cover it. That's it. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.